And do we have to go through there? Oh shit. Oh my god.
How far does it end? Do you want to get?
Oh wow. Look at that. Just beautiful. See, now, our bike really isn't made for this shit. But, you know, fuck it, why not? Hello! Oh god, there's like other people on bikes behind us, look. Laughing at us because we're barang. Have we got to turn around? Well then, the whole family. We stop for a cigarette. Just wow. So this is undoubtedly something you just couldn't pay for. Oh, hang on. Take my helmet off. Put my giggers back on this fish in here. Oh, look, little fishies. Crazy, 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 crazy. Again, this is something that you just can. Very beautiful, Safa. Very beautiful. No, you flowers.
Oh, flowers.
Lady boy.
Small water, but big water. We can see at home at Little Flower.
These flowers.
Yes.
Oh.
This one small, no big.
Is this Tonle Sap?
Yes, Tonle Sap.
Tonle Sap.
Yes.
So I was right. It's Tonle Sap. Just wow. Wow.
And you see Phnom Krao Mountain. Yes.
Yes, we've been to that mountain over there.
On Phnom Krao Mountain, we can see Tonle Sap. Yes.
You can see it from from there. Wow, yeah. Tonle Sap's such a big area.
Yes.
Big. Beautiful. Fisherman. Right, I'm gonna press stop and have a fag because, believe it or not, that was hair raising as hell. But again, 47 years of age, you can't pay for this shit. I love it.